Today I want to explain to you how transpose works. Many people ask me how to implement transpose in either Excel, Python, or R, and it's quite common at work. So I have seen some accountants who are using transpose just to change the table structure before they multiply something. I also seen some like risk modelers. They do some transpose on the matrices before they time another matrices. So transpose actually is quite common at work. So today I want to explain to you how transpose works. So let's get on the board. So I drew this table, and you can see right now it's NBA playoff season. I'm not a fan of NBA, but so my ranking may be a little bit wrong. So here, let's say I give you one example. Here has the city, right? A city of, let's say, Toronto, and the name is Raptors, and then the skill, let's say if they're shooting skill, they rank number one. Again, I'm not sure if that's true. And I give another city name, Houston, and the name is Rockets, and then the skill is speed, and rank number two, right? So let's take another example. Let's say I go Minnesota, right? So their team is Timberwolves, right? So let's say they go rebound, okay? So their rebound rank also let's say number one, okay? So what transpose does basically is just changing the columns and to the rows, and change the rows to the columns. So here I give you one example. Let's say you want to do some transpose on the rank. So what will happen if you apply for the transpose is that the rank, again, here is the column, and you're gonna see a new table which will become a row, okay? And those row, right, will become column, right? So you can see one will come to here, and two will come to here, and then you're gonna have another column, and then this one will come here. So basically how that works, again, once the rank field becomes a row, it doesn't really have a field name, basically a column name. So the program usually give a default, and you can name it. And again, same thing here, doesn't really have a field name, so they have to fill something in. By default, they have something, and same thing here, right? So either you can set a name here, maybe through a name, depends on the language you use, or set some kind of prefix if you prefer, right? So basically that's how transpose works. Like take this example. What I want to see, actually, what do you want to see? So I want to see, for example, shooting, right? And you have to have some kind of target in mind, right? So let's say the speed, and then I want to see maybe the name, right? Let's say whether they are Raptors, right? Or they are Rockets, right? And then they are, or Timberwolves. So I want to say if this is Raptors, I want to see the shooting will be number one, and then they don't have anything else. So for the Houston, and the speed will be number two. So the table I have in mind as my target table. So once you have something in mind, it will make it much easier for you to just play around the table and get to the final form that you want. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about the programming language because each programming language is different. But for the other videos, I'm going to show you how to implement this program either in SAS, Python, or VBA, maybe R. So hopefully you'll get a chance to watch the next video. Thank you very much.